Hey everyone, welcome to the Willow channel. Today I'll show you what to do if Discord won't start. First, open the search bar and type %appdata%. Click on the folder or use run and type %appdata%. Then click OK. This will open a folder where we'll find Discord. Next, delete the cache folder. If it won't delete, close Discord in Task Manager. To do this, open Task Manager, find Discord, and close it. Then delete the folder and try launching Discord again. Another option is to ensure Discord is running with proper permissions. To do this, right-click on Properties, go to Compatibility, and check these two boxes. Click Apply, then try again. Now click Run, open App Data, find Discord again. After what we did, delete these three folders: Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Try again. Next, you can try running Command Prompt. Type this command and press Enter. It should look like this. It'll scan and restore corrupted files. If that didn't help, we can try adding Discord to the exceptions. Open Windows Defender, click Add a Program or Setting, then Add Other Applications. To find Discord's path, right-click its shortcut. Select Open File Location, copy the path, paste it here, and click Open. Now, copy this path, click Open, then Add. Lastly, you can try reinstalling Discord. That's all. This was Whaler. Restart your computer. Goodbye.